Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting a project frame that matches your target device. Choose 1440 x 1024 for desktop or the specific breakpoint you need. Once done, enable a 12-column grid with 20 px gutters and a 0. 5 times baseline to keep rhythm and alignment consistent. This reduces guesswork later. Next, import your brand assets, logo, color swatches, and web fonts so you can paint with real materials. Make sure layers are named logically to speed future iterations and handoff. You now block out the page hierarchy. Draw the hero, navigation, content columns, and footer using simple shapes to test spacing and focus. Then create reusable components, buttons, form fields, and cards as smart objects or linked components so updates propagate across artboards. Use layer styles for consistent shadows, one-pixel borders, and subtle gradients. This enforces visual rules and saves time. Also, check contrast and spacing at 100% zoom, so interactive elements look right in real scale. You finish by cleaning and organizing layers, grouping components, and exporting assets in PNG or SVG at 1x and 2x for Retina. Once exported, assemble a spec sheet with font sizes, hex codes, spacing values, and basic interaction notes to hand to developers. If things go wrong, first check for missing fonts or broken linked files, then verify alignment against your grid. Often a misaligned layer or a hidden guide causes layout shifts. Make sure to relink assets and re-export after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.